leather closure thing right there, and then looks like it's welcome back to my channel. It's Ruby. So today's video is going to be an unboxing. I just received this packages right here. I ordered a bag from Zara and then some clothes from Forever 21. Nick and I went shopping, what was that, Saturday, and I didn't find anything that I really liked at the store, so I told them that I'm just gonna shop online, so I did. We are gonna start with Zara. Right here it is just, I just ordered one thing from Zara because they're quite pricey, but I like their staple pieces there. So I might stop shopping from Forever 21 and just shop at Zara. There we go. Okay. So I'm gonna have a shopping ban on myself for the month of June, July. So probably this is gonna be my last haul video. Ooh, okay, so here it is. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, it has its own dust bag, and I think this is my second purse from Zara. The first purse that I bought from Zara was just a pink, like a doctor or duffel bag, and yeah, I still have it up until now. But this one is very trendy right now. This is their rattan. I don't even know how to pronounce that, rattan bag, and it is very trendy. I see it everywhere on Instagram, I see it everywhere on Facebook and Pinterest, so I decided to order this one from Zara because I feel like Zara ones are more high quality. I ordered like a straw bag from Amazon. It's okay, it's not really that good of quality one, but yeah, this one looks like it's good quality. It has a leather closure thing right there, and then looks like it's pretty roomy. Like I can fit my wallet in there, my lipstick, and probably a cell phone, and that's pretty much it. Or I can even fit this camera inside, I feel like. And then the strap is a leather one. I really like the rattan purse, that it's just a purse like this. I saw it on Amazon.com, and then I can insert a picture somewhere, and that one is just not practical for me because as a mom, I think I need a crossbody, or it has a long shoulder strap. And this one I got for $49.90, and it came really fast. Looks like 3 days. Yeah, I'm really excited. It has its own dust bag. Go to Forever 21. Nick is excited to see what I got too, so that's why I'm unboxing this in front of you guys, and then I can show Nick what I got. Here it says crazy. Okay, here's what I got on the first package. So this one is the honey, it's just a graphic tee. So white graphic tee, and then it has honey word in red. So it looks like this. It is quite long. I really like long t-shirts, and I got this one in extra large because I really wanted it to be a little long on me. SNA, that's the brand of this, and that's the lettering. I feel like it is kind of cheaply made, but I got it for only $6.90, so that's why it's really cheap or inexpensive. The next item I got is a pair of slides. It's black, and I feel like it's gonna go with everything. Looks like this. This one was $15.90, and I really like the ones that has the suede insole because my feet get really sweaty a lot, and then it has this what do you call that, like crisscross detailing. It's really cute. I got it in size 6. I am size 6 to 6.5, it depends. And then I got a dress. I think this is a wraparound dress. This is their woven dress, high-low, and this is, I think, the first dress I'm getting that is in this color. I don't have anything like this. This one is a little bit pricey. It's $27.90. Wow. hopefully it's gonna fit me because it looks like it's really long. Well, I think it will, but yeah, $27.94. Oh, I have to show you guys. Looks like this. It's a wraparound dress, and I know a lot of people are complaining about how hard it is to put on wraparound dress, and I hear ya. So yeah, it's just like this in the front. It's so cute. So it's really high in the front and low in the back. Oh my god, it's so like princess-like. And then has ruffle detailing of the sleeves, yellow flower. Oh, this is gonna look cute with the bag that I got. Oh, if you guys are not following me, I made a new Instagram account. It's I Miss Ruby, and I post OOTD there, and also more on makeup and eating out. So yeah, this is it looks so cute. Then this is another dress, and I am hoping that this will fit me. It's by the Contemporary line. $24.90. This one, oh, this is also another wraparound dress, and it's so cute. It's a little see-through, just like everybody else said on the website, the review, but I think I can just wear shorts with this. I'm okay with that. And the sleeves of this one are just simple. Oh, this is cute. I love the color. Alright, I'm gonna try them on to show you guys how they really look like. Box, or to the last box here. This is hard because Sophia is outside with Nick, and I told him I'm gonna try to make a whole video. My husband is so supportive. I really love him. Okay, so first thing I see in here, there's the box. First thing I see in here is pair of sunglasses. Oh, I'm into sunglasses again because I can wear contacts now. I have contact lens on right now, so I can wear glasses again. Or sunglasses. Oh, this one looks so cute. Let me try that again. And I'll probably remove this thing right here. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. I got this one for only $5.90. Looks, oh, I forgot. I got another bag that looks like the rattan one, but this one is a straw bag. This is a lot cheaper from Forever 21, you guys. So if you don't have the budget like myself, go for this one. This one is a lot bigger. Let me see. So side by side, they're pretty much the same, but the Forever 21 is thicker. Okay, so this one has a zipper. So it's just round and it has a zipper like this, and it has a small strap right here and then a longer one. And this was only $17.90. So natural tan handbag, crossbody. So and I got this. It's a culottes. And this one I think I can wear up to fall and winter. That's why I decided to get this one. This is a pant or ankle pants in the shade or in a color taupe, and medium $12.90 for this, and it looks so cute. And in my head I was pairing this with this top right here, and I was like, that's gonna look so cute. This top is, this is not a Forever 21 brand. Also the culottes is their independent brand. So you are gonna see different brands on Forever 21 website now. I don't think they used to be like that, but this is a floral off-the-shoulder top, and it's see-through. You guys can see. On the website, I didn't think it was gonna be this see-through, but this one pretty much you are gonna have to wear like a tube top, and just wear probably a nude bra with this, or black bra. It is by the brand and Harmony. That's that. But it looks really cute with this on. And then the rattan bag. Another pajama set. Oh, this looks so big. I got it in large. Looks like this. It's really thin, floral print, tropical print rather. And I can't remember how much I got it for. $14.90, and this is the top right here. I can even wear this top just like this outside, also the bottom, so that's why I decided to get this one. And that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching, and thumbs up this video if you like it, and see you in my next one. Bye.